So good day to everyone. So we are asked to answer the 3.14, 15, 16 checkpoints in the book. So we are asked to record ourselves while doing the activity and upload it in our YouTube account and in this. So we can add a small discussion kung paano natin na come up yung ganitong solution sa pagsagot ng problem. So complete the following program skeleton. So it asks the user to enter a character. Store the character in the variable letter. Use a typecast expression with the variable in cout statement to display the characters in ASCII code. So we are asked to make an code kung paano natin magagawa ito na we are asked to kung parang mag-input tayo ng kailangan maka-input tayo ng letter, parang ganun, variable letter. Tapos magbibigay siya ng yung ASCII code. So sa hindi nakakaalam, ang ASCII code this is a type of code na about sa uppercase letters, numbers, and lowercase letters. So for example nun is, for our uppercase letter is nagsa-start siya sa number 65. So for example is letter A is ang code niya is ASCII code niya is 65. So uppercase B is 66. So sunod-sunod na yun siya. And then for our lowercase letter is nagsa-start siya sa 97, sa number 97, tapos sunod-sunod na rin yun siya, ABCD, something ganon. So to solve this problem is, first we need to input #include iostream, and madalas is gumagamit tayo dito, meron pa yung kasunod dyan yung include conyo.h, but di na natin nilagay yun kasi hindi naman natin kailangan. Pero you can put it naman kung for emergency, kasi pwede naman din yun kung baka sakaling kailanganin something ganun. Tapos sunod is our using namespace std, int main, open and close parenthesis, and our bracket. So for inputting our code, we need to kailangan nating tandaan na dapat meron tayong open and close parenthesis bracket dito, and sa loob yung ating code. So ganun yun siya para input natin yung ating code. So we use the char or character because we have the letter that we are using for our variable na para ma-input natin. And this cout, enter the character, and then cin greater than letter, and guys, dapat sa code natin wag natin kalimutan lagi yung yung semicolon, kasi yan yung laging nakakalimutan ng iba na nagko-code. Mahirap na makalimutan kasi hindi natin mahanap kung saan yung mali, ganun. So putting it all together, so we need to write a C++ program, and we need to ask the user's input character. Yun na, ito siya, input character, yung enter character. Sunod naman itong cin or sin letter. So it stores the character in a variable. So yung letter is yun yung para ma-stores natin siya as a variable. Tapos yun dito naman is our cout, the ASCII code of, yun na, lalabas yun siya. So first na sa output natin is yung itong sa taas, itong lalabas itong enter a character. Tapos magta-type tayo ng something na gusto natin siya maging ASCII code, parang gusto natin siya ma-transpose into ASCII code. So in this code, ito siya, yan. We use this para ma-input itong the ASCII code of ganyan. Tapos yung in-input natin dito sa enter a character. So itong letter na ito, by the use of this static cast int, yon ito, matatranspose natin yung letter na ginamit natin as a variable into a ASCII code. Yan, itong ASCII code. So yan yung purpose bakit natin ginamit itong static underscore cast int, yan, letter. So that's it. So I will put some examples. I-run natin yung code natin. So yan. So mag-input tayo dito kunwari ng letter A. So as I mentioned kanina is kapag nag-input na tayo ng kung anong gusto nating letter, itatranspose niya ito as the ASCII code kasi yun yung kailangan nating magawa. Yun na. Yun. So ang lumabas is 65. So yun na yung sinasabi ko na matatranspose niya as a ASCII code. Another example. Let's try letter J. Yun. So ang ASCII code ng uppercase J ay number 74. So let's try a sample of lowercase A. Yun. Ang ASCII code ng lowercase a ay number 97. So that's it. So thank you guys for listening and I hope you enjoy. Bye bye. Choo 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 choo.